What's up, reggae fans? Welcome back to Sea Trends. You know Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, maybe even Burning Spear, the big names that everyone knows and loves. They're legends for a reason, giving us amazing songs and good vibes. But get this, there's a whole universe of other awesome reggae artists out there that most people haven't even heard of. We're talking about the secret heroes of reggae, the musicians who put their heart into making incredible music but didn't become superstars. These are the singers, the bands, the beats that real reggae fans get excited about, and we think it's time more people knew their names right here on Sea Trends. We're not just talking about the famous stuff you already know. We're going on a musical adventure to discover 10 reggae artists that are seriously underrated. This means they're super talented, their music is awesome, but for some reason, not enough people know about them yet. We're here to change that. Think about how many amazing songs come out every year. In reggae, there are so many talented people making music that sometimes the best ones don't get the attention they deserve. Maybe they came out at a busy time, or their music didn't get played everywhere. But their songs are still amazing and worth listening to. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you 10 of these awesome artists. Each one has their own unique sound and story. From singers with amazing voices to bands with incredible rhythms, this list is packed with talent that we think you'll love. We'll start at number 10 and work our way to our top pick, telling you a bit about each artist and playing a little bit of their music so you can hear for yourself. Right here. Think of this as your chance to become a reggae expert and discover some seriously cool new sounds. We're about to reveal our number 1 pick for the most underrated reggae artist. Based on the names you've heard so far, who do you think will take the top spot on our Sea Trends list? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. So if you're ready to discover some incredible reggae that you might have missed, then keep watching. We're about to introduce you to 10 underrated artists who we think deserve way more love. Get ready to turn up the volume and find your new favorite reggae jam. Let's get this countdown started. And hey, if you're digging this list and want to hear about more awesome music, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and become part of the Sea Trends family. We've got tons more music discoveries coming your way. One love. Coming in at number 10, we have Larry Marshall. This guy was making music in Jamaica back in the 1970s. His style was really soulful and down-to-earth. What makes him underrated? Even though he made some awesome songs like Nanny Goat, not everyone around the world knows him. His lyrics are usually about real-life stuff and standing up for what's right, which a lot of people connected with. It's time more people heard his songs. If you're looking for reggae that has real feeling and tells it like it is from the good old days, check out Larry Marshall. His album, I Am the Dawn, is a great place to start listening. Moving on to number 9, it's the incredible Tony Tuff. He's also from Jamaica and mixes classic reggae with his own special way of singing. He was really popular in the dancehall scene in the early 80s with super energetic and catchy songs like Water Pumpy. But even though a lot of people in Jamaica know him, he didn't get as famous worldwide as some other reggae artists. His music has a really fun get-up-and-dance vibe. Seriously, check out Tony Tuff. He brings a really cool and genuine energy to reggae. Give his track, Come Fee Mash It, a listen.
I man saw a stone, just a come to mash down room. And it's so low, don't you know, can't get under him.
At number 8, we're highlighting the awesome Prince Alla. He's known for his lyrics that are all about spirituality and his really unique voice. This artist from Jamaica made a lot of great roots reggae music that often gets missed when people talk about the big names. Songs like Stone really show off his talent and his special take on reggae. If you like reggae that makes you think and has a really positive spiritual message, then Prince Alla is someone you need to hear. Try out his album, Only Love Can Conquer.
They used to rape.
Sliding into number 7 is the one and only the Twinkle Brothers. These guys are a band from Jamaica who had a really cool way of singing together in harmony, and their songs often had important messages. While a lot of artists were influenced by them, their own music, especially tracks like Rasta Pon Top, should be way more popular if you want to hear that classic reggae sound with amazing harmonies and lyrics that make you think. The Twinkle Brothers are for you. Give their album Love a listen.
Some call it waterhouse, firehouse round. Oh yeah, there's honesty. Monkey punch at the red.
Hitting the halfway mark at number 6 is the talented Wailing Souls. Also from Jamaica, Wailing Souls are amazing at blending really soulful singing with the classic reggae beat. Their voices sound so good together, and even though they have a lot of fans, their consistent stream of great music, like the song Firehouse Rock, deserves way more ears. For reggae fans who love incredible singing and those classic reggae rhythms that never get old, Wailing Souls are a fantastic choice. Their album Wild Suspense is a perfect example of how good they are.
Do you know what it means to have a revolution? Maybe I'll call you a chosen. Ooh, yeah.
Cracking the top 5 at number 5, it's the legendary Dennis Brown. From Jamaica, a lot of people call him the Crown Prince of Reggae because he had one of the most beautiful and recognizable voices in reggae. He was pretty famous, but he made so much amazing music that you could argue he's still underrated compared to some other huge stars. Songs like Revolution are just timeless and show off his amazing voice. If you want to hear some of the most amazing and heartfelt singing in reggae, Dennis Brown is a must-listen. His album Wolves and Leopards is something every reggae fan should have. Just outside the top 3 at number 4, we have the incredible Horus Andy. He's from Jamaica and has a really unique way of singing. He worked with some big producers like Coxsone Dodd and Mad Professor. He's been making music for a long time and has a lot of classic songs like Skylarking, but he's not always the first name people think of when they think of reggae legends. Horus Andy is a real innovator in reggae with a voice you'll know as soon as you hear it. His collaborations with Mad Professor on the Dubbing is a Must series are also super cool if you like dub reggae.
Africans must be free. No more beating, no more slavery.
Entering our top 3 at number 3 is the phenomenal Hugh Mundle. Also from Jamaica, Hugh Mundle brought a really cool, young, but also spiritual vibe to roots reggae. His voice was really different, and his lyrics had a message, especially in songs like Africa Must Be Free by 1983. He didn't live a very long life, which is a shame, because his music had a big impact. If you're looking for reggae with a really deep spiritual feel and a voice that stands out, Hugh Mundle is someone you need to check out. His album Africa Must Be Free by 1983 is a classic for a reason.
Mama Africa, I'm coming up and I hope you find her. Hello, Mama Africa.
Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the immensely talented Garnet Silk. From Jamaica, Garnet Silk was loved for his smooth, soulful voice and for bringing back that conscious, rootsy reggae sound in the early 90s. Sadly, his career was cut short, but his unforgettable songs like Hello Africa still make a big impact on reggae fans. Garnet Silk's voice was a true gift to reggae music. His album It's Growing is a perfect example of how talented he was. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss any of the countdown action. Tell me in the comments who your favorite reggae artist is. I want to know. And don't go anywhere after number 1 because the next video is going to be even better. Stay tuned. Alright reggae fam, we've reached the top of our list. We've explored some incredible talent, but the artist we've crowned as our most underrated reggae act, well, they truly deserve a spotlight. Taking the #1 spot is none other than Augustus Pablo. Hailing from Jamaica, Augustus Pablo was a total pioneer. He was an amazing instrumentalist, producer, and composer who was known for playing the melodica like nobody else. His instrumental dub and roots reggae tracks like East of the River Nile are super influential and have this really unique, almost dreamy sound. Even though people who really know reggae respect him a lot, his instrumental genius deserves way more worldwide love. Augustus Pablo's instrumental work is something every reggae fan should hear if they want to explore the deeper, more atmospheric side of the genre. Check out his album, King Tubby's Meets Rockers Uptown. It's a masterpiece. So there you have it, our top 10 underrated reggae artists you needed to hear. We hope you discovered some incredible new music today. Now we want to hear from you. Who do you think is the most underrated reggae artist out there? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're passionate about reggae music and want to discover more amazing artists, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. One love.